Hey, what's up guys, TechVid Kid here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to download a video from YouTube. So, if you won't have an internet connection for a while, then this will be very useful so that you can watch the videos offline. So, what you'll need is your computer, it needs to be connected to the internet, and you need to have your browser open. So first, have your video that you want to save here. Get rickrolled. So after that, what you want to do is go to the link that I have here. I will go ahead and put it in the description as well and hit enter. Now what you want to do is click Command or Control C. So if you're on a Mac, then you would want to click Command C. If you're on Linux, Windows, or Chrome OS, then click on Control C. And go ahead and click on the paste your video link here bar, and click on Command V if you're on Mac, Control V if you're on Windows, Chrome OS, or Linux. So now, after you've hit download or enter, then go ahead and click on this download button here next to whatever resolution you want. So you can choose 720 or 360. I don't think the website supports 1080 with audio, but yeah, let's go ahead and click download. So now what you want to do is go to where you chose to save it, or if you if you didn't get that window prompt to ask you where you saved it, then you should be able to just open the Finder, and then it should be the first thing there. Make sure to like, subscribe, and stay safe for more tutorials. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!